Hello friends and welcome to you with this video. In this video we will talk about using the edge function with Supabase. Now precisely we will use this edge function. We will create an edge function to do one thing, is to save our API keys and also save some secret keys that we usually use in Supabase. Now hard coding your API key within the client interface is a very bad thing because it can be reverse engineered. Someone can get your application and reverse engineer it and then have your API key and he can use it in his or her applications, in which case you will get a very big amount that you have to pay because somebody have managed to get that API key. So the way to secure this API key from being misuse or abuse of use is that we create an edge function.